Okay, so me and Dad bought Maya some boots for the winter time so her feet don't get all dirty.
They're Converse. Okay,
we got them for the first time, so she's gonna try them on.
2, 3. Did you get that?
I think I need to put them on tighter. Oh no! Silly girl!
I think she could have probably.
Okay, so I think we got her too bigger size.
Yeah, these are definitely too big for her.
Okay, should we try it again?
Yep,
I tightened them some more, so they should be okay, but I didn't put on the back ones.
Let's see. What can you do with these? Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
I think they're too big.
Yep.
It is November 15th, and this is our first snow. As you can see, it's been snowing all day long, so we've gotten quite a lot of inches of snow. We still have a pumpkin. May he rest in peace, because he's probably rotten in the inside. But yeah. It is November 17th, and we have gotten so much snow for the past like day and a half now. Yeah, for like the day and a half, and it's supposed to snow all tonight and all day tomorrow, Friday. A lot of people have been saying we're gonna get to like 12 inches of snow. So it's really crazy. You can't really see, but it's blowing and you can see a lot of the snow. As you can see, this is the front of our porch, and that used to be our path, and you can see how much snow is already covering that up. It hasn't covered our like front field yet, but when it covers it up with all snow and you can't see the green, then that means we got a lot of snow. It's quite the winter wonderland, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Get it.
Yep. Get it.
Go, 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 go. Run, run, run.
I was trying to get a video for Olivia. Go.
Come on, let's go. Go get it. Ball. Okay, so it is November 18th, and it has been snowing for about 2 to 3 days now, and we have been getting so much snow. As you can see, those footprints are from Maya and the dogs, but you can see how deep it is down there. As you can tell, that's how much snow we've been getting, because we had not yet shaken the snow off that plant. So that's how you know that we've been getting quite lots of snow. And this week, Mom and Julia and a little bit of Maria, they cleaned and redecorated our basement a little bit. For those who are new, we used to have our sauna right here, and we moved it into the other room. So now we just have like a nice little reading nook for now. We have a massage chair, and then we got some new covers for the couches, which they look really good. And then Julia did this, and I think Mom helped and like tweaked it up a little bit, but it looks so good. You can see Nick in the mirror. And then we moved the bookshelves to over here. Mom decorated the bookcases and made it look a little more fancier, so when you come down it looks more neat. And then we just have our piano and everything. And here's Nick. What are you doing? Nick is watching PCM.
Yeah, they did.
That's what he does. He comes home from school and watches PCM. Yep, and then Mom and Tony are, I think, playing ping pong.
Anthony practicing ping pong. Whoa! And tomorrow I start decorating for Christmas, so I'm starting to pull everything out. all of this, and yeah. We got so much snow that Anthony, Bella, Nick, Alex are all going outside in the snow.
Alex.
And we're all getting ready. Well, not me, but you kids. I will. I should come out. What do you do when it has snowed a couple feet outside? You make Toll House cookies. You put the first of the Christmas trees up, and Anthony and Julia are playing ping pong, and the rest of us are playing apples to apples. So that's what we're doing on a snowy Saturday night.
That technique.
It's a couple days before Thanksgiving, and I could not find what I wanted for bread stuffing, so I made 2 loaves of white bread, and I'm making it the old-fashioned way. So I thought I would just vlog this. I'm gonna cut this bread, and then I'm gonna put it in an oven, and I'm gonna dry it out, and then make stuffing from it in a day. Okay, this is pre-Thanksgiving dancing. Bella, Maya.
Don't you give me no dirty looks. Nobody's getting no close.
Not only does she polka,
You ain't got time to take a ride.
Okay, so once again, me and Dad got my some new shoes, and these ones actually fit her this time, so they're not gonna fall off. You ready to go outside? Okay, Lucy is. Let's go. Hurry, kitty, come inside.
Like a horse, clickety clackety. Oh, good girl.